On today's video, we're going to be trying out Kiss Products' new Impress Press-On Falsies. As a lash strip girly, I'm so excited to try these because these don't require any glue. Here I have the voluminous clusters with the non-stick applicator, 12 classy natural clusters, and 12 of the bold volume clusters. Here's a before of my lashes with mascara. For my first attempt, I think I'm gonna go with the voluminous clusters. This one is the only one that has the 20 clusters, and you should have enough for about 2 to 3 applications. This is my first time trying out a non-stick applicator when it comes to applying lashes, so I'm really excited to try this technique out. I'm actually kind of scared to apply these because it says you're supposed to apply them underneath your eyelids. We applied one. We're gonna go ahead and apply the other. They're all literally the same size. So I really don't think it matters in what area you start first. You go ahead and press down on it just to make sure it stays secure in your natural eyelash. I was really skeptical about these lashes because they say no glue required, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was really impressed on how really quick they stick. You really need to be careful when applying these because once they're on the lash, you cannot just go and yank it out. You have to know how you're applying it. You got to make sure that you are calculating real well. Here I'm just literally fixing the eyelash because I felt like it was too close to the other one that I applied next to it. So I'm just trying to brush it off so that they don't look clumpy. Now this is what it looks like with 2 clusters on one eye. Do you guys see the difference? Here is a difference of one eye with the clusters and the other one without. If I'm being honest, I literally only used 3 clusters on one eye, and now we're gonna go ahead and finish up my other eye. I feel like these are very tedious, especially like if you're running super late, you don't want to use these. You might want to just use the strip lash ones, one strip lash, but these, they just take a little bit longer for you to apply. This is our third one on this eye. Gonna grab our eyelid. Now I said tedious because it is my first time, but practice does make perfect, and I'm sure I'll get better as I go. You just go back with your finger and press it down. And here are the final results. These lashes are literally for everyone with no mess and no irritations to the eyes. I hope you love them just as much as I did, and I will see you guys in my next video.